Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. This is Otis's chainsaw. It's going to Washington, D.C. He wanted a test chainsaw, not to be used for any type of wood cutting, so I put him together one. It's an MS-362C, cylinders decked, porting's changed, timing's changed on it, buckshot muffler. Let me run that for you. I will disable it at the end of the video. If you have any questions on these saws, give the chainsaw guy a call. These saws are sold for parts, non-functioning, non-running chainsaws, and if you have some questions on them, there's the information.